3 monster asteroids headed for Earth in June. Subscribe the channel for many surprises and free articles to come.
The first one is asteroid 2002 NN4. The Mammoth Space Boulder, asteroid 1,63,348, 2002 NN4, is the first of the large asteroids that will breach the minimum orbit in tetrasection distance 0.05 astronomical units, 7.48 million km. According to the Near Close Approach data table, the asteroid 2002 NN4 will make its closest approach to Earth on June 6 at 3:20 am UTC. At its closest, the asteroid will reach
a distance of 0.034 astronomical units, or 5.09 million km.
The deadly asteroid 2002 NN4 has a diameter of 570 meters, as big as the length of almost 5 football pitches put together. During the flyby, asteroid 2002 NN4 will be at relative velocity of 40,140 kmph. Number 2. Asteroid 2013 XA22. Following the monster 2002 NN4's close Earth approach, the next in line is asteroid 2013 XA22, which will breach the moit on Monday, June 8 at 3:40 p.m. UTC. Its approach will be significantly closer than that of the 2002 NN4, coming to 0.019 astronomical units or 2.93 million km. Asteroid 2013 XA22 is a far smaller space rock. It has peak diameter of 160 meters, and will fly by at relative velocity of 24,050 kmph. Number 3. Asteroid 2010 NY65. The asteroid 4,41,987, 2010 NY65, has also been studied extensively due to its proximal orbit to Earth, after having been discovered a decade ago. The asteroid 2010 NY65 will cross Earth on Wednesday, June 24, at 6:44 am UTC. It can come as close as 3.76 million kilometers or 0.025 astronomical units to Earth. The 2010 NY65 asteroid falls somewhere between the 2002 NN4 and 2013 XA22 asteroids in terms of diameter, with peak size of 310 meters in its diameter. The asteroid 2010 NY65 will have the highest relative velocity of 46,400 kmph among the 3 large asteroids set to come the closest to Earth during June.